Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to cancel a domain on Ionos. First, log in to your Ionos dashboard. Once you're in, go to the top left corner, click on the menu, and then select My Account. From there, find and click on Contracts and Subscriptions. This is where all your active services and domains are listed. Now, scroll down until you see the domain you want to cancel. Once you find it, click on that domain to open its details. Under the Details section, you'll see an option called Disable Automatic Renewal. You should also see the date when the domain is set to renew. Click on Disable Automatic Renewal. A confirmation process will start. Just follow the prompts. You'll be asked to select a reason for cancellation, so choose any option that applies to you. After that, click Next, and you'll see a warning message explaining that once the domain expires, you may not be able to get it back. Make sure you understand the implications before continuing. Then confirm by clicking Disable Automatic Renewal. Once completed, you'll see a confirmation message stating that the domain registration terms have been changed. Your domain will expire on the listed date and will not renew automatically. Quick tips: disabling renewal doesn't cancel the domain immediately. It stays active until the expiration date. If you change your mind before it expires, you can usually re-enable auto-renewal. Back up any website files or emails connected to the domain before it expires. Double-check the expiration date so you don't lose the domain unintentionally. And that's it. That's how you cancel a domain on Ionos. And that's it for today's video. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.